Yeah, hi Martin, it's Mark at FMAV. Okay, so I've done this part that you sent me. To be honest with you, you know, this was quite a lot of work, and it did take me quite a lot of the day to actually do this. I don't know, you know, where you got it or what it's come out of, but I think people have already been in there and really played with this, because nothing was actually working on it at all. I put a new spindle in there for you. Okay, so I've put a new motor in there for you. The micro switch weren't working, so anytime it wound up it'd go like that. That's the noise that it makes. I've put a new laser in for you, and obviously I've changed this board as well. So yeah, you know, it's seen or it saw better days, to be honest with you. But yeah, I'll put it on there now, and you can see it all spin up. See, it's, you know, it spins up fine. Let me just turn it up for you, and you can listen to it better. So you can hear the part playing there. But yeah, it was yeah, it's quite a big job, to be honest with you, and you know, it is a little bit more cost than what we thought it was going to be. But I'll give you this video, and I'll give you the cost of it, and we are reasonable on costs, as you know, because you know, every single part for these costs money because you can't get it. So anything that I actually use, you know, it's all reconditioned parts because you can't buy any new parts. But you know, the main cost is obviously that board. So yeah, you know, there's a lot of damage to the part, really, to be honest with you. You know, I'm not sure what went with the spindle, but someone's obviously tried to take it off at some stage and pulled it out, because it come out really easy. They come out more easy than what, you know, what they're supposed to do. But you know, I'm sure you'd be happy with that, and you know, you got a 6-month warranty on basically all of it, because everything I've pretty much replaced all them parts in there. So you got a 6-month part, you know, warranty on every part on that. Just make sure that when you put it in, you know, you're using your static gloves and stuff like that, please, because you know it can make it go pop. So I really appreciate it. So okay, Martin, I'll upload this video and see what you think. And again, thank you ever so much for doing this. The other one, by the way, you sent me a 1254. Okay, looking at it, I've taken it apart, I've tested it, and the laser's dead. I've looked at the board visually, and I've looked at the ribbon cable visually, and you know, that seems to be okay. There's a bit of tape on that ribbon cable. I don't know why someone's put that on there, but I will put a laser in there and just try that. And if that's just a normal repair, you know, that is what it is on eBay. I think they're about 105, 110. But that's the 1254 there. Let me just turn it off because it's. So yeah, that's the 1254 price, which is about £105. So, you know, if you want me to go ahead with that, just, you know, reply to the email. That'd be great. Alright, Martin, thank you very much, and really appreciate that. Have a great evening.